Hi, it's Lloyd from Poseidon Boat. Today I will bring the version 3 of this 4 units ballistic boat for the United Nations. So you can see for the boat we have been finished the welding, and also we do the penetration testing for all the welding. You can see the welding is quite good penetration and very good welding, smoothly, and it's also been certified by the Lloyd register surveyor. Also, they will do the scanning of the welding as well. So now have a look. You can have a detailed looking for this welding as well. Very beautiful welding. From here you can see the trisome plate, which is very thick aluminum. So it's very strong for holding the outboard engines. You can see here is all the mark after we're done with penetration testing. These are right colors. So with all the testing finished, we put some remark for some repairing of the welding. So it will be make remark on the welding as well. So these are another 3 units we are being building now. So now let's follow me to have a look. This is number 2, same boat, and the welding also been finished, and they not yet cleaning all the dirty seams after the welding work. So they'll do all the cleaning after as well. This number 2, and we have the number 3. Now it's still doing all the interior welding work. So you can see the very thick kerosene for this boat. The welding all finished. We put this plate for controlling the deformation of the boat, so it looks straight and beautiful. This number 4, you see they do all the cleaning for this welding stuff, and the worker they do the final repairing. So this is, you can see here. So the standard is when they after finish the welding like this, they will use the machine to polish again and welding again. So the mixture is very qualified welding, and it's a Lloyd register standard. So they are working on it. The next video I make in the few weeks is after this boat being flipped over and they put the flooring. So I make another number 4 video to show all the details. So this is about today's video. Thank you. Bye bye.